Hey guys, so today I'm doing my Amare Happy Juice update on an old school camera. The reason why is because I woke up this morning to a dead cell phone and no power. And we still don't have any power, so I can't film the video on my phone like I normally would. So thankfully I do have my camera still as a backup when I need it in cases like today. Anyway, so it is Thursday, November 2nd, 2023. And of course I just finished drinking my Amare Happy Juice. I feel full of motivation, I feel full of determination, I feel wide awake, and I have just the right amount of energy. Today I was planning on filling out job applications, and unfortunately I can't do that since we don't have any internet. So instead what I've been doing is some fill-in puzzles. When you look at me you might not think it, but I absolutely love fill-in puzzles, like word puzzles. I don't like crosswords because I'm not good at them. But anything else, fill-ins, sudoku, stuff like that, I just love them. And I also, obviously I love tech because I do a lot of tech videos. A lot of people think it's odd that I do tech videos because I'm a female and they just assume that I must be a guy, and it's like, no, I'm not. Why can't a woman be into tech? I think there's nothing wrong with it. So that's probably what I'm going to do for the rest of the day. As long as we don't have any power, I'm going to be working on my fill-ins and other word puzzles and whatnot.